Looking for the best paid video editing software in 2025? Whether you're creating content for YouTube, editing a short film, or working on a commercial project, the right editor makes all the difference. Let's dive into the top 5 paid video editors and break down what makes each one stand out. First up, Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the industry standard for a reason. It supports multi-cam editing, 360-degree video, advanced color correction, keyframe animation, and full integration with After Effects and Photoshop. You can edit anything, from social media clips to Netflix originals. Downside, it runs on a subscription model, starting at around $20 per month. Second is Final Cut Pro, exclusive to macOS. It's lightning fast on Apple Silicon, offers a magnetic timeline, and allows real-time editing of 4K and 8K footage. It also includes background rendering, smart file organization, and native support for motion and compressor. One-time purchase, about $300, no subscriptions. Third is DaVinci Resolve Studio, the all-in-one post-production suite. It combines editing, visual effects, sound design, and professional color grading in one platform. The studio version adds powerful AI tools, advanced noise reduction, and extra VFX features. It's a one-time payment of $295, a great deal for what you get. Fourth is Vegas Pro, a longtime favorite among YouTubers and solo editors. It's known for its intuitive drag-and-drop timeline, quick editing tools, motion tracking, and live preview rendering. It's available via a flexible subscription or lifetime license, depending on what suits your budget. Fifth is PowerDirector 365, a budget-friendly editor with powerful features. It includes AI sky replacement, motion graphics, object tracking, and one of the best stock libraries out there. It's great for content creators, educators, or anyone who wants pro-level results without the pro-level price. Subscriptions start at just a few dollars a month. Let's recap. Premiere Pro, best overall for professionals. Final Cut Pro, ideal for Mac users. DaVinci Resolve Studio, perfect for film and color work. Vegas Pro, great for solo creators and YouTubers. PowerDirector, affordable and powerful for everyday content creators. What's your go-to video editor? Have you tried any of these? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!